Hi friends, I'm Imagery and today I'm going to recite a poem Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening by Robert Frost. Whose woods these are? I think I know. His house is in the village though. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmer's near. Between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year. He gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is a mistake. The only other sounds the sweep of easy wind and downy flakes. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Thank you.